my channel Inspired Birdie for another Plan With Me theme. And this week I'm doing one of my absolute favorite television shows, and that would be Full House. I am absolutely thrilled that they continued into Fuller House and that they're continuing with their episodes. Love, love, love this show so much. Thumbs up this video if you're a Full House fan or Fuller House. So these are the images that I grabbed off of Google Images that I thought would be really fun to use. And I did incorporate it's almost like the DVD cover. So one for Full House and one for Fuller House. But a lot of these images are from Full House, which is back in my time, even though I absolutely love Fuller House as well. How cute is this? How many of you guys remember what this is? Leave me a comment if you remember what this is. And then of course, the couch. So that's what this week's theme is. As for washi, didn't really know what to go with. So based on my pictures, I picked this cool pink, this blue. I really like this washi here. It says, "Not just another day." That was a lot of fun. And most of these are from AliExpress or from Michaels. And I really love this one too. It's like a washed out city, but this washi isn't easy to use. Like, it doesn't stick very well, so I might have to use glue. Like, it's not sticky at all there. That's the only thing about this washi, is it's kind of not good. But I love the design. I love that washed out city look, so I might try to apply that using some glue. Alright guys, so that's it for this week's theme. I hope you enjoy the video. So grab your planner and let's get, I don't know if I want to say planning, because we're not really planning. Let's get decorating.
shown forever together. If the song I sing to you could fill your heart with joy, I'd sing forever together. I've been so happy loving you. Let the love I have for you live in your heart and be forever together. I've been so happy loving you. If every word I said could make you laugh, I'd talk forever. I'll be so happy loving you.
Alright guys, so there you have Full/Fuller House theme this week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know who your favorite Full House or Fuller House character is. I absolutely love Jessie from the Full House. I would say that's my favorite character. And from Fuller House, I love Fernando. He is so hilarious. I would have to say he's probably one of my absolute favorite characters just because he's so hilarious. If you don't know who I'm talking about and you haven't seen Fuller House, but you're a big fan of Full House, go check out Fuller House on Netflix if you haven't. It is so funny. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and love and peace to you all. Bye.